Hi YouTubers and welcome to the Marty K from LA YouTube channel. I recently purchased a new 2024 Icon i20. I am happy with all of the options that come standard with the golf cart. The newer Icon golf carts with a new display. The new display has several audio options. The new display you have the availability of AM/FM radio, Bluetooth sound and audio from USB. Here is the issue that I have read about on the internet causing others a bit of grief. The new Icon golf carts do not come with installed speakers of any sort. Dealers do have the option to assist by installing soundbars that are quite expensive in my opinion and are overkill for what is really needed for an open golf cart. If you are like I am, I couldn't see spending that kind of money to listen in an open golf cart that would be driven on golf courses or on the streets in my local neighborhood. I chose to use outdoor passive speakers in my golf cart. This is how I connected the Icon sound system to passive speakers. Before I picked up the Icon from my dealer, I had them install an inverter. The original reason why I wanted the inverter was that I wanted to be able to plug in accessories and use the 120-volt plugs for Christmas lights and the like. My community has golf cart parades during holidays. To plug in temporary lights was my goal. The inverter was installed next to the battery. As you can see, the inverter has two plugs available. I also attached a short Y-type extension cord to the inverter. The video shows that I have plugged in the transformer for a 12-volt amplifier to the inverter. I used an older 12-volt amplifier with the specifications shown on the amplifier. The amplifier has controls for bass, treble, and volume. Please note that you can also adjust the volume from the Icon new display. There is a wire bundle that has a 3.5mm male connector that comes from the display. The wire ion the Buell has a silver braided cover. I plugged the 3.5mm male connector into the amplifier. The speaker wires were connected to the amplifier, left and right speaker connections. I used a plastic black wire wrap to further hide the wires as they were brought up the back of the frame to the back crossbar. I used zip ties to connect the speaker wire inside of the black plastic wire wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please and subscribe. More videos are coming in the near future. I have attached a few photos that show the speakers that I used and the final result.